Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good. Can you please tell about yourself briefly?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mohana Shankari. I'm from Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. I did my schooling in Nagarkoil, and throughout my schooling, I've been an all-rounder both in academics as well as extracurricular activities, which is evident in my grades. And about my qualification, I've done my undergraduation in sociology and from PSG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, and post graduation in sociology from Annamala University, Chidambaram, and I'm waiting for my final semester results. My hobbies are Carnatic music, cycling, and hiking. My short-term goal is right now is to get placed in Federal Bank. My long-term goal is to see myself in higher position levels to achieve my long-term career goals. My strengths are leadership quality and versatility. About my family, my father is working in Employees Provident Fund organization as a section supervisor, and my mother, she is working in Federal Bank as a clerk, and I have a sister who have finished her 12th grade and waiting for her results. Yes, sir.
Very good. Acha, 12th grade results have not come yet?
Yes, sir. She is from CBSE board, sir.
Acha, good. What she wants to do after completing her plus two?
Actually, she is trying for IIT, sir.
Oh,
So
great. She has
she's
appeared
giving
for that
JEE
exam.
exam also. Yeah, sir.
Very good, very good. I think there would have been two rounds, na? Or
Yes, sir. For the first round, like she got around 80 percentile.
yeah.
But for 80 percentile, she can't get into IITs. Like she can get into NIT. So
Mhm.
she's preparing for the second round.
Acha. Good. Very good. Excellent. Nice. You are daughter of a banker.
Yes, sir.
You are daughter of a provident fund man.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is banking?
Uh, so banking is a financial activity where the banks have manage and safeguard hard-earned money, and banks also provide service to all sorts of individuals, small businesses, and large corporations. So banks are licensed to accept deposits, make loans, and other financial services, sir.
Good. Can you tell me what is the job role of a EPFO?
Sir, right now, my dad, he's working as a section supervisor where he has to, check the, work of subordinates. Like there are 10 people under him. So he has to make sure whether their works are correct or wrong. Like he has to check it and he have to send to his higher subordinates. Sir.
Higher authorities.
Sorry, sir, higher authorities.
Acha. Now the question is, my question was different. What is the job role of EPFO? Means, what are the
Yes, sir.
functions of EPFO?
Sir, it is like pension, sir. So the government provides pension to the. It is they don't provide this. This pension is not for the government sector employees. This is for the private sector employees. Where if a company has employees more than 20, they have to. They have to pay. They have to. They have to take certain amount from the salary account, and they have to contribute from the company as well. So these are maintained by the employees provident fund organization, and also the elderly people get a monthly pf amount, and also they get high interest in this.
The Porat. You
Uh,
have to tell you please go through EPFO website. There they would have told you three functions.
okay, sir.
They also do some insurance, and
Okay, sir.
so yeah, then provident fund, then
Okay.
pension, and
Okay, sir.
the insurance. You told two things, but not
Ah,
the third thing. Even the first two things you told, you were not clear. I
yes, sir.
suggest you go through EPFO website and
Okay, sir.
also talk to your daddy to get to know in detail about that.
Okay, sir.
So, because for a person like you, there can be questions like this. What are
Okay,
the
sir.
social security measures that government is taking nowadays? I'm sure you can't answer it now. For
Yes,
this,
sir.
what you have to do, you have to go to my EPFO web. EPFO materials. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
I will give you the link for that, and
sir.
using that, in that these things would have been given. So
Okay,
broadly, you try to go through that.
Okay, sir.
But the best thing you can get to know is by talking to your daddy.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
ஏன்னா உனக்கு இந்த கொஸ்டின்லாம் வரும். அதாவது what are the social security measures, what is Aadhaar card, what is the reason for what various measures taken by the government. அதாவது 18 months இருந்த டெலிவரிக்கு அப்புறம் 18 months லீவுங்கிறத 24 months ஆக்கியிருக்காங்க. அதுக்கு அது மாதிரி 10 லட்சம் ரூபாய் இருந்த கிராஜுவிட்டியை 20 லட்சம் ஆக்கியிருக்காங்க. மினிமம் சேலரி 18,000 இருந்தது, என்னமோ 24,000 ஆக்கியிருக்காங்க. அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அது என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு தெரியறதுக்கு அப்பாவை கேட்கவும்.
கண்டிப்பா சார்.
நான் உனக்கு லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பட் இதுல கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் உனக்கு புரியும். புரியலன்னாக்க நீ அங்க போய் பார்த்து அவரை கேட்டுக்கோ.
ஓகே சார்.
உன்னை வந்து ஒரு ஒரு 25% EPFO இன்டர்வியூ மாதிரி தான் எடுக்கணும். அந்த அளவுக்கு உனக்கு இது. அதோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கொடுத்தா பயந்துடுவேன். பட் இருந்தாலும் கொடுக்கட்டுமா வேண்டாமா?
கொடுங்க சார், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை.
அது கொஞ்சம் கடினமா தான் இருக்கும். அவன் என்ன வேணா கேட்பாங்க அவங்க. அது ஒன்ன வந்து சோசியாலஜினாக்கா போட்டு போட்டு அறுத்துருவாங்க. வாட் இஸ் சோசியாலஜி, வை இஸ் சோசியாலஜி, வாட் ஆர் த டிஃபரெண்ட் ஆஸ்பெக்ட்ஸ் வி ஆர் லேர்னிங் ஃப்ரம் சோசியாலஜி, அந்த மாதிரி வறுத்து எடுப்பாங்க. பாரு அனுப்பியிருக்கேன் பாரு, 40 பக்கமோ 30 பக்கமோ.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
வந்துகிட்டே இருக்குது, இன்னும் வருது. வருதா?
வந்துருச்சு சார், ஒண்ணு வந்துச்சு.
அடுத்தது வந்தாச்சு. வந்தாச்சு.
ஆமா வந்துருச்சு சார்.
படிச்சுக்கோ. குட். இப்ப பேங்கிங்க்கு வரும்.
ஓகே சார்.
What do you know about Federal Bank?
Sir, Federal Bank is one of the top 10 private banks, sir. And its headquarters is located in Alva, Kochi. And this bank was started in 1931 with the capital of rupees 5,000 at Nadu. And the chairman of Federal Bank is Mr. C. Balagopal. He's a temporary person till 2023. And MD and CEO of Federal Bank is Shyam Srinivasan. The tagline is "Your perfect banking partner." And there are 1,291 branches, 1,860 ATM and recyclers. The employees are like around 13,000. There are international, Federal Bank has international overseas banks as well. First, it was established in Abu Dhabi in 2008, and then followed by Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, and Dubai. And there are over 10 million customers, and there are 1.5 million NRIs.
Good. What is the job role of a bank officer?
The job role is like from passing a check to issue draft and the cash management, and they have to check the day-to-day day and activities. They have to supervise the clerk, and they also have to include into managerial tasks, and they have to process the loans, and they have to solve the grievances of the customers as well. And they have to issue this credit card and about loans, mortgages, and finances.
You have not told the important thing which they will be eagerly expecting from you.
What is it, sir?
What is the main job role they are expecting nowadays from the bank?
Sir, to bring business, sir, marketing.
You should tell about that in detail.
Yes,
marketing of banking products like bank assurance, then mutual fund products, and also for opening up savings bank accounts, current accounts, fixed deposits,
okay,
and also say canvassing of auto loans, home loans, etc.
Okay, sir.
Selling is your main job role.
Okay, sir.
Now, how will you sell? You can't see. 1 minute. How will you sell books like this. You are going to be like Vijay TV Gopinath. He started his life as a person selling dictionary on the road.
Okay, sir.
Imagine you are going to take up this job of selling this books
Okay, sir.
house to house, or probably you are sitting in a stall where people come. How will you talk to them to see that you are able to sell this these books? Not only these books like this.
Okay, sir. So books like this are favorite to the kids. So what is that, sir?
Now, this is another book. Of course,
Okay.
this is not for sale. This is a blood sugar mission, that book.
Oh, okay, sir.
Entry
Okay,
book.
sir.
That's not required, just for
Yes, sir. So books like this are favorite to kids, and kids will love this book. And I would ask their parents to get this book for their kids. And also, I would tell that if they buy this book, they could get another book for free, or another anything as a for free. And there are so many pictures inside the book where the children's thinking will go beyond uh, their actual thinking, and they can even draw anything in the book, and they can even color. And this book will be good for children from age from 2 to 6 year 7 year old. And the book is very attractive for the kids, and they can even like if the kids see this book, they'll be very much attracted. And like the book will make the children to they'll get 100% creativity, and I'll be damn sure about it. And yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
I know you. I'm distracting you. Tell me,
Okay.
tell me.
Yes, sir. That's it, sir.
இன்னும் இல்ல, நீ பிரைஸ் எல்லாம் சொல்லவே இல்லையே.
Yes. The
சொல்லிட்டியா?
price of no, sir. The price of the book is 100, and when you buy this book, you will get another sticker book as a free. So that will also be, I mean, your child will get into when they see this. You can also gift this book to any kids. Yes, sir. That's it, sir.
Very good. Now, can you please tell me how will you market auto loans? Hello?
Yes, sir.
How will you market auto loans?
Auto loans.
First, தெரியாதா?
Sir, first,
ஆட்டோ லோன்னா என்ன? அது சொல்லு பாரு.
sir, like car and the I mean 4-wheeler, அப்புறம் வந்துட்டு இது சார் 4-wheeler sir, all 4-wheelers.
4-wheeler,
And
2-wheeler, 6-wheeler,
clerk.
6-wheeler எதுவா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல.
Yes.
எல்லாமே ஆட்டோ லோன் தான்.
Okay, sir.
சோ அதை விற்கிறதுக்கு என்னென்ன பண்ணணும், எப்படி பண்ணணும்?
Sir, அது வந்து இது பண்றதுக்கு like வந்து we have to tell like we have to ask them what is their budget, and we have to tell the interest rate in our bank is less when compared to others. And the down payment எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம்
Now, why are you talking in Tamil?
sorry sir, like because I am not sure what to like answer for this question. That's why I didn't prepare for this particular.
Yeah, auto loan normally it is given for purchase of auto rickshaws, cars, to be run as taxis or as tourist taxis, etc.
Okay,
And
sir.
also for personal use. So we
Okay,
take the proof of income of the person for the last 3 years, and
Okay, sir.
later on we also collect margin, say about 15 or 20% margin from
Okay,
the
sir.
borrower. Then
Okay,
the
sir.
car loan is disbursed by making payment directly to the seller. Then
Okay, sir.
while the car is being registered in the name of the borrower, it is seen that the name of the bank is entered as a hypothecatee.
Okay, sir. Hypothecation.
Yeah. So and the recovery of installments is ensured. I mean, steps will be taken to ensure recovery of installments. And
Okay, sir.
if in case it is not paid, bank will take possession of the vehicle and bring it for sale. அது கூட சொல்லணுங்கிற அவசியம் இல்லை.
அது சொல்ல ஓகே சார்.
அது கூட அவசியம் இல்லை. இதெல்லாம் கார் லோன், ஆட்டோ லோனை பத்தி. ஸோ ஐ வில் டாக் டு பீப்புள் I will check up with the nearest auto dealers, the people who are going to buy the cars, so that I get their addresses. I will contact them. I will collect particulars from them, then arrange for they are taking auto loans from us.
Okay, sir.
Good. அப்படி சொன்னால் போதுமானது.
Okay, sir.
பட் இதே மாதிரி நீ ஹோம் லோனும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், அம்மாட்ட போயிட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ.
Okay, sir.
ஹோம் லோன் எப்படி பண்றது, பர்சனல் லோன் எப்படி பண்றது, இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me about the digital products of our Federal Bank.
Sir, digital products இல்லனா ஆப் தானே சார்?
அதுதான் ஆப் தான்.
Okay, sir.
இல்ல, you can digital products na you can tell about internet banking, mobile banking, WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. Transfer funds அது மாதிரிலாம் சொல்லுங்க. Okay, sir. The Federal Bank apps like Fed Recruit, Fed Mobile, Fed Net, Fed Alert,
Fed Recruit la வேண்டாம், அது சொல்லக்கூடாது இதுல. Because Fed Recruit is for recruitment only.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Fed Mobile தான் சொல்லணும்.
Okay, sir. So digital banking services like transfer of funds, and nowadays we can open even a bank account, a savings account through a digital banking, and we can even take loans, make investment through the apps, and there are many add-on services like these digital banks. We don't want to go to the branch, and we can do it wherever is possible. For that, we need eKYC if we want to do from wherever we are.
Good. What is KYC?
So KYC is know your customer, and for that we need Aadhaar card or PAN card, like identity proof and address proof. For that we need Aadhaar card, PAN, driving license, passport, voter ID, and for transactions above 50,000, PAN card is must, sir. And for minor children account also above age of 10 years, they can open a account where they have to give their school identity card with the guardian or parents KYC.
Very good. Now, how can KYC details be updated online? அதேதான் நீ சொன்ன ரீசன்ஸே தான். அதாவது any one of the 6 documents like passport, driving license, voter ID, Aadhaar card, job card of NREGA, then permanent account number, இதெல்லாம் கொடுத்து you can get it done. See, when you give an Aadhaar card, it is sufficient for both identity as well as address proof.
Address proof. Okay, sir.
But when you give a PAN card, it gives only identity proof. But banks do insist on both Aadhaar and PAN card, because in the absence of PAN card, you know, when they open fixed deposits, we are supposed to deduct 20% of the interest as tax at source.
Okay, sir.
If PAN card details are not given. So அதுக்காக அதை avoid பண்றதுக்காக we get all these things. அவ்வளவுதான். Good. Very nice. So why should we select Mogana?
Sir, because I have the right predispositions for this particular job role, and since I am a sociology graduate, knowing the influence of societal norms on a given population, it will make me a great asset to your banking establishment. Considering this job to be dealt with the public, I believe that I can stand one step forward from others, and I like interacting with people, and that's why I choose this field. And since my mom is working in Federal Bank, I've seen the way she handles a customer, so I have learned it from her. This helps me to easily uncover the needs of the customer and provide them with what they need.
Good. What are the other bank exams you have written so far?
Sir, no, so far I have not written anything, sir.
You have not written anything?
No, sir. Actually, I told you, no, sir. I prepared for UPSC.
One minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You asked for UPSC. You wanted to prepare for IAS.
No, sir. Actually, I was preparing. Like, I gave my first attempt, and then this is my first bank exam, sir.
Acha. But don't tell about that. You say
Sir,
that
what?
you have
Sir,
been
if they
preparing
ask,
for bank exams, because you are now also studying MA.
I have just finished, sir.
Just now finished. So I can't
Yes, sir.
expect you to write an exam before completing your post graduation. No doubt you can write even with graduation, but they cannot force it on you because you are a fresher, 100% fresher. So they may not ask you that questions and all. Don't bring
sir.
IAS into this because you will unnecessarily facing questions. Will you
Yes, sir,
leave
yes,
after
sir.
getting job here and all that?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But விட வேண்டாம் இது கிடைச்சா இந்த ஒரு ஜாபே போதும். This is a
Yes, sir.
it's a very good opening. Good.
Okay, sir.
So now tell me, what is the role of Reserve Bank of India?
Role of Reserve Bank of India is like they act as a regulator and they are the supervisor of all other banks, sir, even NBFCs. And this injects public confidence into the financial system. The RBI decides the bank rate and they protect interest rate, providing positive banking alternatives to the public. So RBI acts as a issuer of national currency. So RBI is a regulator and a supervisor of all banks, sir.
Good. Who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, Shakti Kanta Das, sir.
Good. And then, do you know what is meant by mortgage?
Yes, sir. Mortgage is
Are you attending our banking classes? Attend பண்றீங்களா இல்லையா?
Sir, no, sir.
இல்ல, right, பரவாயில்ல. Right, no problem.
Sir, shall I tell for mortgage?
Yeah, mortgage. சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, mortgage is a process of offering something as a collateral against a loan, sir.
Something in a which thing?
Sir, like any gold or some property.
Wrong. Mortgage is offering immobile property as security. House, land, building, land and buildings. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Offering gold as security is known as pledge.
Pledge. Okay, sir.
Offering car and scooter, etc. security is known as hypothecation. Good. That is correct. Now, very good. Now, what is Niti Ayog?
Sir, Niti Ayog is a think tank body, and like it is a national institution for transforming India. It's full form, and they doesn't fund any government thing, but they have three aims. They promote research and innovation, and they provide strategic.
Who is the chairman of Niti Ayog?
Sir, I'm not aware of it, sir.
Chairman is Prime Minister.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Vice chairman is Suman Beri.
Okay, sir.
And CEO is Parameshwaran Iyer.
Okay, sir.
Very good. So if you have time, you can just revise current affairs லாம் படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா?
Sir, I used to see in internet, sir.
What, from which site will you be reading?
Sir, from all sites, sir. Hindustan, Beyond,
Acha, store from the newspapers.
Yes, sir. And
also you can see from Affairs Cloud, Bankers Adda, இதெல்லாம் படிக்கலாமே.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir.
இல்லைன்னா என்னுடைய sbank.in நான் கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஸ்னிப்பெட்ஸ் போடுறேன்ல எவ்ரிடே.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
அது கீழே பிளாக் கொடுத்திருப்பேன். பிளாக்ல திறந்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும். You can read from there also.
Okay, sir.
Good. Tell me any you may be facing questions on Sri Lanka crisis.
Okay, sir.
Then Tamil Nadu politics.
Okay, sir.
Then what is the news about Tamil Nadu Chief Minister?
Sir, he is affected by COVID, sir.
Very good. Good answer. Who is the finance minister of Tamil Nadu?
Sir, finance minister is Palanivel Tyagarajan, sir.
Correct. What is the controversy about Kanyakumari school?
Sir, I'm not.
No, particularly,
No, sir.
Kanyakumari school, one 12th standard student, she
Yes.
committed suicide by jumping from third floor of the
Okay,
building.
sir.
It is said that is the latest controversy that is going on. But of course, I wish they don't ask such things.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
what is the movie you saw last?
Sir, Major, sir, from Netflix.
What book? Major. What movie?
Yes,
Major.
sir.
Major
Yes,
Tamil
sir.
movie, Telugu movie.
Sir, it is taken in Telugu as well as in Hindi, sir.
Oh, translated.
Sir, in English or in Tamil, sir?
No. Is it in Tamil or in only Telugu?
Sir, I watched in Hindi, sir.
Hindi. Acha, you know Hindi?
Sir, I can understand a little bit, but not that great. I watch it with subtitles, sir.
Very good. What is the storyline of that? Who was the hero? Who was the heroine?
Sir, hero is Adivi Sesh and heroine is Sai Manjrekar. I think. Sai Manjrekar, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the storyline about that?
Sir, in my mother tongue or in
No,
English, sir?
yeah, mother tongue la சொல்லணும். Last time interview la mother tongue la தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே சார். ஸோ அந்த மூவில வந்து அந்த ஹீரோ வந்து ஒரு
கொஞ்சம் கிட்டக்க வச்சுன்னு பேசுங்க. காது விழல.
சார், அந்த ஹீரோ வந்து ஒரு பேஷனேட்டான பர்சன். அவருக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து நேவில இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கும். அண்ட் தென் அவர் வந்து அவருக்கு நேவில வந்து கிடைக்காது. ஸோ அவர் வந்து தென் ஆர்மிக்கு போவாரு. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்துட்டு அவர் பேர் வந்து சந்தீப் உன்னிகிருஷ்ணன் சார். திஸ் இஸ் a ரியல் ஸ்டோரி. அண்ட் தென் ஆர்மிக்கு போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் அவர் ஒரு ட்ரைனிங் ஆஃபீஸரா இருக்காரு. அந்த டைம் தான்
இல்ல சவுண்டே விழல. மைக் கிட்டக்க வச்சுக்கோ.
சார் மைக் கிட்டக்க தான் சார் வச்சிருக்கேன்.
என்னன்னு தெரியல. ரெக்கார்ட் சரி பேசு, இறஞ்சி பேசு.
சார் இப்போ கேக்குதா?
இப்ப கேக்குது. நல்லா இறஞ்சி பேசுறப்பல இருக்கு. பேசு.
சார், ஸோ ஹீரோ வந்து ஒரு பேஷனேட்டான பர்சன். அவர் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நேவி ட்ரை பண்ணுவாரு. ஆனா அவருக்கு கிடைக்காது. அண்ட் தென் அவர் ஆர்மிக்கு போயிடுவாரு. அவர் பேர் வந்து சந்தீப் உன்னிகிருஷ்ணன். இது ஒரு ரியல் ஸ்டோரி. அண்ட் அவர் வந்து ஒரு ட்ரைனிங் ஆஃபீஸரா இருப்பாரு சார் அந்த ஸ்டோரியில. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்துட்டு ட்ரைனிங் ஆஃபீஸர் வந்து நாட் கோ டு எனி மிஷன். அந்த ஒரு ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் நடக்கும்போது ட்ரைனிங் ஆஃபீஸர் போகக்கூடாது. அவர் வந்து அப்போ வந்து அவர் ஆனா அந்த மிஷனுக்கு போவாரு. அதுதான் மும்பை அட்டாக்ஸ், அந்த தாஜ் பேலஸ்ல 2008 நடந்துச்சுல்ல. அந்த போவாரு. ஸோ அவர் தான் வந்து மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த டெரரிஸ்ட வந்து அவர் 5 டெரரிஸ்ட் இருப்பாங்க. 5 டெரரிஸ்ட் அவர் தான் வந்து கில் பண்ணுவாரு. அண்ட் ஃபைனலி அவரும் வந்து இறந்துருவாரு அந்த அட்டாக்ல. That is the story, sir.
Oh, great. Very sad. Oh, good. You told nicely, briefly. Who is your role model?
Role model is my mother, sir.
What qualities would you like to learn from her?
Because she manages household and still finds time for work-life balance, sir. She's a multitasker and a great economist. And I've admired this, sir, and I've applied to my life as well.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you. You have answered very well. Best wishes. Interview date is which date?
Sir, 21st, sir.
Oh God.
July.
Date announced. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do your best. Send the
Yes,
list
sir.
of questions afterwards to us. You are doing
Okay, sir.
very well. Best
Okay,
wishes.
sir.
God bless you. This will be posted in YouTube after
Yes, sir.
some say few minutes. Then you can watch that also. You are
Okay,
done
sir.
well. Please ask mummy, daddy so many doubts and get your
Okay,
doubts
sir.
clarified. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye, sir.